We will see now how to calculate descriptive statistics in SPSS program. And for that, we have two dialogues. We have frequencies and descriptives. And we can find both dialogues in Analyze Descriptive Statistics menu. These are those two dialogues. We will first see frequencies dialog. I click here, and here we have to place columns for which we want to calculate descriptive statistics in this right pane. And for that, we can select some columns in this left pane. And after selection, we can just drag and drop them into this right pane. Or we can use this arrow to move selected columns to right or to left. After this, we have to select our descriptive statistics. For that, we will click on this button, and I will select here almost everything. Here we have different descriptive statistics. We have central tendency measures, dispersion measures, distribution measures. Now for percentage, we have first quartiles. Then we have this option here. Now this option means that 100% will be divided into 10 equal groups, and all the points between those groups will be used to calculate percentiles. In this case, if we have 10 groups, then cut points are 10%, 20%, 30%, and so on. So we will get values for those percentiles. If we write here, for example, 5, then cut points will be 20, 40, 60, and 80%. Beside that, we can just type any percentile we want to get. For example, I can type 12. I click on Add, and now I will get a percentile for 12. We can add some more. So, for example, we can add 13. Now, if I select one value and then I type here, for example, 14, I can then use a change button. So, change button will change 13 with 14. So, when I click change, we got our change. We can also click on remove to remove this selected value. And this is how we can customize our percentiles. Now I will add, for example, values 13 and 14. Now the only value we haven't selected is this. Values are group midpoints. This is used when some range of values is presented by one value. For example, all the people in their 30s are presented by value 35. In that case, we should select this option. In that case, median and percentiles will be calculated by estimation, and we will get some estimate of those values. But we don't have such situation now, so we will just click on continue. I will deselect this, we don't need this, and I will click on OK, and we will get our result. Now, results are presented in one table. For each variable, we have one column. At the top, we can see valid and missing observations. Missing observations are nulls. And then we have all of our descriptive statistics. And at the bottom, we can see our percentiles. Now here we can see 25, 50, and 75. Those are quartiles. Then we can see 20, 40, 60, and 80. Those are cut points for those equal groups. And we have see our custom percentiles like 12, 13, and 40. And we can see all of the values. Now let's see what we can do if we use that other dialog. We can go to Analyze Descriptive Statistics, Descriptives. And here again, we have to choose our columns. So I will again choose these two columns. And this time, instead of clicking on button statistics, we have button options, but we will get something similar. We will again select all of the descriptive statistics. And now we can choose the order of results. So in this case, it is selected variable list. This means that we will first get results for years of experience and then for cost of construction variable. But we can change this order. We can choose or alphabetic order. So this column will be first and this will be second, or we can order them by the size of their mean values. I will just left it as a variable list. Then I'm going to click on continue and then OK, and we will get our results. So results are just similar. We only have fewer results, and our table is organized horizontally. So it's mostly the same, and this is how we can calculate descriptive statistics in SPSS program.